receive strength. Verse number 9, look at that, verse number 9. Hosea 14 verse number 9. And all the people saw him walking and praising God.
Amen.
Ulang tanang tao, nakakita niya, naglakaw na siya, o nag-die sa ngalan sa Diyos. Verse number 10, look at that, verse number 10. Hosea 14 verse number 10. And they knew that it was he which sat for arms at the beautiful gate of the temple. And they were filled with wonder and amazement, and that was which had happened unto him. Then verse number 11, look at that, verse number 11. And also the lame man which was healed Peter and John. All the people ran together unto them in the forest that is called Solomon's, greatly wondering. O ang tao nga di kalakaw sa dugay panahon, mga higanag ba igsuon ko, sa nakalakaw na siya, ang mga tao midukon niya pulo sa kahimulungan, o sa inahita po niya, o bisulti siya, na ang rason nga nung nakalakaw ko, ang rason nga nung nakatindog ko, ang rason nga nung ano ko karon is all because of Jesus Christ.
Amen. Amen.
Kay kalag mga igsuon ko, sa unang panahon, matay paglaong. Sa unang panahon, ipiro because of our sin. Sa unang panahon, watay direksyon, mga igsuon, mapangutan da, kung mamatay ta langit, bata tutubag, wata ka ba? No direction. But because of Jesus Christ, karon pangutan na sila, mamatay ka, asa ka pa yun. Ang tubag na to, 100% one, heaven is our home. Why? Because of Jesus Christ.
Amen.
Yung anak kanindong ang may Kristo sa
Amen.
But first, we have to accept Him. Amen ba? We have to receive